Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to change your washroom HRV minute timer. So sometime when you press the button, it will either start blinking or it won't go above 20 and it will be blinking here. So this one is good, but that error may happen. So in that case, what you can do. So there are two options. So first I'll talk about the reason. So the reason may be a loose wiring. So I'll open up and show it to you how it looks. Then the second thing can be that your timer has some issue and you have to change it. So first I'll go through how to double check your wiring. And before you start opening it up, make sure your HRV system is shut off. Now, step one is to open the cover plate. And now, step two is to open your timer screws. Now, before you do anything, make sure to click a picture for the wiring pattern. So for example, here is the white, red, and black, so that when you open it up to fix it or you're replacing the timer, you don't forget which wire goes where. So now take the picture, and then the step two is, if the wiring is loose, make sure you open all the screws and double check the wiring. So loose them up. Make sure the wiring is properly tight, and then you need to properly tie the screws. And now turn on the HRV to test your timer. So once your HRV is turned on, press the timer button, and if you see it's working good, that means there was a wiring issue. But if it's still not working good, then you will need to replace this. So before you do anything else, you again have to shut off your HRV system. So now when your HRV system is shut off, then you can open all the screws. Now once you open your HRV wiring, then you will need to get your new HRV timer. So the simple thing is, what you need to do is make sure the pattern stays the same, so white, red, and black in my case, and then you have to see how it was in yours and then just install them back. So now once you install the wiring, make sure all the screws are properly tied, and then turn on the HRV system. So now once the HRV system is on, then you can put it like this and test the timer. So if it's working good, then it's amazing. You just need to put this back and then install the timer screws and then the cover plate on the top. So now cover plates are installed and you can test it and it's working good. The only thing I missed to explain is that if your HRV timer is in your centered washroom, which means your HRV wiring is going and meeting there in the middle, then there will be two wires of each color. So red 2, black 2, and white 2. So you just need to make sure you connect them in the same pattern. So 2 goes on the top, 2 white goes on the top, 2 red goes in the middle, and 2 black goes in the middle. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it and this video will help you to solve your problem. And please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.